Hi, I'm Beverly Brunelle, and I want to talk about an interesting concept that I call and is called wonder. I wonder what she's going to say. What's it like to live in a state of wonder, at least for a moment during the day, or maybe several moments during the day, like when you're faced with a decision, when you're faced with a new opportunity, when you're faced with a new um, something to figure out? What's your automatic go-to response? Do you clench? Do you contract? Do you go into worry? Do you go into concern? Do you go into, I wonder how to look at this in a way that is helpful, in a way that is creative, in a way that is progressive, in a way that is resolves this issue easily and effortlessly and for the least cost, like a new roof on the house? That's my latest thing to wonder about. And I noticed for me, when I notice the clenching and the contracting and the tightness and the tension, and I relax that, the physiology of it, even that tension in my brain, I can literally feel it going, oh, what do I do? Who do I call? What do I do? Relax those questions, relax the muscles of anticipating issues, problems, delays, resistance, procrastination, and wonder, hmm, I wonder what the next step I can take that would be really wise in moving forward on this situation. I wonder where I could research to find viable possibilities of solutions. I wonder what resources there are to approach this concern, this need. Wonder is a verb. It's an open-ended invitation to life itself. I call it like putting a funnel up to the universe and saying, here's a question, here's a request, come on down, give me, feed me, nourish me, create a new flow of possibilities that I have not been able to decipher in my own little box of reality. I need an expanded version of what I perceive as possible. So wonder with curiosity, wonder with a sense of gratitude for the answers that will come, the resources that will come into your awareness and into your life, into service to you. So I invite you to close your eyes and to wonder what's going to come next. So closing your eyes, I invite you to bring your awareness down into your heart space. And those of you who've been with me for several um, sessions, you know the routine. Bring your awareness down into your heart space, perhaps put your hand there. And with every breath that breathes you, I invite that heart light within you to grow in its glow, to expand in its presence, to rise up in its frequency, and to deliver to you the most delicious, the most nurturing, the most calming and loving frequencies that are perfect for you at this moment in time and in timelessness. So continue to breathe into that heart space. And I invite the rest of your body to relax so you can receive the sensations that are there, the wisdom that's there, the presence that is available to you there. And I invite you to wake up your curiosity, your sense of wonder with this heart light. How can this heart light support you on your life's journey? Well, that's a big question. How about how can your heart support you today? What's keeping you alive is supporting the blood flow, your bodily functions, the communication, optimal communication between and among all the systems and organs in your body, your capacities to move, to think, to breathe. And I wonder, I invite you to wonder, what is before you today? What decisions, what opportunities, what responsibilities are here for you today? And let's invite those heart frequencies to nourish your capacity to receive support, your capacities to invite in viable solutions, viable resources from you, in you, within you, and from life itself. to move you along in the most enlivening, the most um, beneficial of ways. So I invite you to have whatever situation or scenario, relationship is concerning you today. Let that come into your awareness. See the people, the persons, the dynamics there in front of you. And I invite that heart light to shine its wisdom within you and on the situation, the people, the persons, the questions, the choices, and just rest in breathing. And the more you relax your body, the more relax your mind, the more you let go of expectations and wonder, I wonder what possibilities are here now. I wonder how my heart light can support my well being to progress in its well being, to expand in its well being, and my well being today for this situation, this relationship, and so forth. And just relax your breath. Mm. And perhaps you're receiving images, impressions, sensing options. Perhaps you're sensing a directive, a direction. Perhaps you're feeling a softening of any tensions and stressors in your mind and your body, and perhaps even in the scenario before you. Any worries that you have, any anticipated problems that you have, let's invite that heart light to marinate all the thoughts that go with that, to marinate all the reasons why you have these concerns. And let's invite that heart light to access the wisdom within you that you need to know regarding this so you can be, I'll call it, in your power, that you can be more in your clarity, you can be more in right action. What is it that you need to know regarding this situation? If you have any other wonders about this awareness, ask, request, invite more information, more clarity. Perhaps you're receiving the response now. You may get it later in the day or this evening or even in the middle of the night when you least expect it. So we give thanks for these moments of wonder. We give thanks for this authentic curiosity, this experiment in curiosity. We give thanks for this heart light, for supporting your own wisdom to come forth. So let that image, that sense of this other person, those other people, that scenario, let it go. Bring your awareness into your heart space and breathe. Invite its presence, your presence, to support your capacity to wonder and to be open to new possibilities. Open your eyes, give your spine some movement, some circular movement, some back and forth, some side to side. Take some deep breaths and wonder how wonderful the rest of your day, your evening, your week, your weekend will be. Enjoy the journey.